Welcome to English Trivia Games. Today we're playing Odd One Out. Can you spot the misfit word in all 20 rounds? You can pause the video if you need more time. Lion is not a colour. Thursday is not a month. Cabbage is a vegetable. Scissors are not clothing. Garden is an outdoor area. Oslo is not a country. Stone is not a plant. Teacher is not a family member. Tomato is not stationary. Elephant is not a building. Pudding is not a drink. Sofa is a piece of furniture. Microwave is a kitchen appliance. Pepper is a spicy seasoning. Table is not a geographical feature. Model is not a material. Four is a number. Lazy indicates a lack of energy or activity. Left is not a compass direction. Greedy is a negative personality trait. So, what's your final score? Drop it in the comments below. If you passed this one, your next challenge is right here on the screen. Click it, and I'll see you there.